Hey you guys, so I just wanted to let you know, see if you recognize the background. This is a hospital. I came in yesterday to the hospital around noon with my husband. Still wasn't able to hold things down. I tried taking a shower and got sicker than a dog. All I had was 2 sips of water and then it all came rushing out and I didn't really have anything to come out. But we are here. You know, it's interesting. So we were on 2 full days of trying to find the specialist. My husband, my mom, even other doctors, my doctor Lacey, I think I told you guys about her too, myself when I could, were trying to find specialists that would accept us as a cash pay client. And one of them particularly told my husband how much the consultation would be and how much it would cost for one shot alone. And when he told her, I don't care, that's fine, she continued to tell us they still wouldn't be able to see us in through July 10th date out, knowing that it was urgent. So we came to the hospital. Some of Patrick's former members, so one of them, she's married to a surgeon. During surgeries, not during, but in between surgeries, he was able to make calls and they all decided that it was best for us to come to the hospital. So we did. By evening, they admitted me into a room. I'm here today again. So last night I got admitted. They're keeping me overnight. Looks like maybe tomorrow night and maybe the following night. I'm hoping not, but you know what? Taking it in stride, because every single staff member here this entire time, their banner Thunderbird, have been incredible, have been wonderful listeners, have had patience and a heart, and they are just, you know, when you pray for the right people to be put in your path, to say that these people have not been just that would be an understatement. They've been incredible, helpful. They don't want to let me leave this place until we at least have some answers. They said what I have is very rare. They in fact don't really know what's going on, but they agree that they're all very serious symptoms. So with that said, I'm here getting my IV that's been helping me keep fluid. So today I'm very excited to report one of the small wins, but a victory nonetheless, is that I'm a little more awake. I have color in my lips, in my face. I have been able to hold some water down, knowing the way that they've been putting the right medications together for me in the order. So I'm still taking what I was taking at home, but keeping me with fluids and just keeping some additional medication to help keep things stable. I got to eat a piece of cheesecake today, which was delightful. Never thought I'd say that about hospital food, but it actually was really good. I think I would like it on a normal day. And I was able to eat a little bit of mashed potatoes, a couple bites of mac and cheese. Those are all wins, you guys, and I'm very grateful for that. But I wanted to give you guys some good news too. Thank you for all your encouragement and your prayers. I really, really believe in the power of sending good vibes, prayers, good thoughts. It works. It really does. You guys have helped keep me in an uplifting spirit when I just was starting to it was getting the best of me, trying to still stay strong and trying to see the upside, but I'm human, right? But I did want to let you guys know, so a couple things. My compromise to myself, because I got some brand new stickers that I want to share with you guys like I promised. Some of them arrived. There's still more arriving. Remember, we don't tell Patrick. But I am going to start working on my weekly, like my daily spreads, my weekly and my monthly for June. What I am going to do though, my Tyler binder right now, because I use it for truly everything lately, it is too heavy, so I cannot carry a lot of things with my right arm. Chapstick I can hold, pens, but like my planner, there's no way I tried the other day and I can't physically carry it. I have to, like, my arm wants to fall down because of the weight. So I am going to instead just work on that while I'm here. I'm going to take a few brief videos of the stickers and then I'll show you guys my layout. I'm going to just do a layout from Sunday through next week, taking baby steps, because even appointments, I don't know which ones can be solid and not yet, because I don't know what the future is holding at this point, but I still want to do it. You guys know I love my planners. You guys know I love you, and I just want to do it, and I want to decorate with my stickers to make myself happy for tonight. So this is also another small win. I've got my hospital bed a little bit reclined, not too much because in my neck and my back hurt really bad, but enough to where I can see my planner on my bed. But what I am going to do when I get home, so I am going to use still a Franklin Covey Classic size, but I'm going to use one of my smaller binders so I can keep the load as light as possible, to where I can see if I can hold that with my right arm. If for any reason I can, I'll still take it to my left or put it in a purse that can go across, like one of my messenger style bags. So that way I keep the load as light as possible. But I'll do that next week because Patrick's probably going to need to help me open the binder and stuff. I can't do that either. So learning what I can do and not do. But anyway, so with that said, be expecting some fun videos on stickers. I will tag the shops that I've been going through. My mom uses a Happy Planner Classic, so I'm excited to report that I got her some goodies. She doesn't know about that either. I do a lot of surprises. I placed the order for those goodies that I want to give to some of you guys, and those should be coming. They're coming from overseas, so I'm hoping they'll be here in the next couple weeks. But as soon as they do, you will be the first one, since they are for you, to know about them. I, am still going to choose to take things in stride. So with that said, I'm going to get working on that while I still have a little bit of energy for tonight. And then we'll probably try to do a little bit more tomorrow. But I've got the neurologist coming in and some other specialists, and they're talking about doing some testing. So I don't know how much free time I will have. But whatever free time I have, I will work on that deal. So with that said, I love you guys. See you, and bye.